Are you getting this, Joel?
Yes.
Miller boy, Miller
Pony boy, woo! That's a wild mucking pony, woo!
He's so
Oh,
goofy.
Grandpa's got to switch legs. That one's tired. Woo! Yay, Miller!
More, Grandpa, more.
Clap, clap, clap.
Yeah.
Clap, clap,
Clap,
Good
clap,
job.
Mary's not holding on to it.
Say, do more, do more.
That was fun.
What about your little horse?
Ride your horse, Miller.
Yeah,
Here.
get on your actual little pony.
Ooh, what do you do with that, Mel?
Can you do that? Have you sat on it?
Oh yeah. He'll do it.
Say,
Oh, that's cute.
woo!
Good job.
Back and forth.
Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. This is the first time he's actually rocked it on his own.
Giddy up. Say, woo!
Oh.
Good job. Look at
Look at
that.
that.
Yay. That's really good, Mel. You know how to rock it by yourself.
Oh, do you know
You're
how
all
to get off,
done?
though?
Oh,
All
yeah,
done.
He dismounts.
Oh, good. Dismount.
You got that figured out.
You even dismount on the right side. Wow. You're set for horse riding.
You're supposed to get on the left side.
Oh.
All right.